Greetings, friends. Today is a rainy day in Dubai. Well, it almost never rains. But if it does rain, that means the summer has been end. So, winter's coming. But there's not so snow, but it's really rainy this day. And I'm Ryan, a weather forecast newsmaker. And today, it's really raining. So, it's so wet. And see this screen, it's so wet. And did you know that Dubai never rains so much? It rains only when the summer ended and the winter is come. And did you know that the ground is so wet today? It only started right now, and that's all for today.